Have you ever looked at somebody else's life and thought, oh my god, she's doing so much better than me. Why don't I have what she has? Am I not good enough? Oh my god, just look at her, how successful she is. Where am I and where is she? Just look at this. If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. But you know what? The fact is that comparison is a silent thief. It actually robs your peace, your progress, and your power, and you don't even realize it. Today, we are talking about getting that very power back. Welcome to another episode of the Flight to Fulfillment podcast. I'm your host Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach and the founder of the Freedom Divas Hub. And today we are tackling a mindset trap that actually affects so many of us. And it affects us silently. And this is comparison. Now, whether it's scrolling through social media, watching somebody else's success journey or success story, or comparing your parenting, career, body, relationships, looks, anything to others, comparison will actually quickly make you feel like you are not doing good enough and you are not being good enough. The truth is, you are actually more than enough. In this episode, I am going to share 5 eye-opening reasons with you why you should stop comparison, why comparison is actually stealing your joy, and most importantly, how to stop it and come back to your path, your worth, and your peace. So let's break free together today. These are the 5 reasons why comparison is stealing your own joy. Number 1, comparison creates a false reality. So when you compare yourself, behind the scenes to somebody else's highlight reel, you're not being fair to yourself. Come on. You know what we see on social media, what we see on Facebook, what we see on Instagram is actually, the wish list of people. It is not reality. You see only 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 45 seconds, 2 minutes of, the reel or the post or whatever that's been put. You don't know what's going on behind the scenes. So stay grounded in your truth. Don't get overwhelmed by seeing the projection. What you see on Instagram is very carefully curated. Very, very carefully curated. You are just seeing the best of it. So many times when we watch a movie, we come out feeling disappointed and we say, oh my god, they showed all the best parts in the trailer only, and we wasted time going to the theater. That is exactly what you're doing if you're comparing yourself, seeing, others on Instagram and social media. You're seeing the best parts. You don't know what's there behind. So remind yourself, I'm seeing just a moment and not the entire journey. Keep telling yourself this. Number 2, comparison distracts you from your own progress because you're wasting so much of time just seeing what others are doing. You're concentrating on others more than, yourself. And when you're too focused on somebody else's journey, you've just lost sight of your own milestone. You are not celebrating your own wins because you're too busy thinking, oh my god, I've just reached here, am I not as good as her? So, create a progress journal for yourself. And that is how you will create a mind shift for yourself. Write down one win of yours per day, no matter how small. There are days where you feel, what do I write today? I have not achieved anything, but think carefully. It must be a very, very, very small thing you would have achieved. We all achieve things throughout the day, every day. It's just that some things are so minute for us that we don't even pay attention to them. Be aware of how far you have come. So, even if you've done 5 minutes, of an extra walk, take that as a win. Take that as an achievement. So even the smallest thing, anything you've done which you don't normally do, if you've even tried doing something for 2 extra minutes, take all that. So create a progress journal. Number 3, comparison, it triggers insecurity and self-doubt. So instead of motivating you, instead of you being motivated, you comparing yourself to others will just make you so down and out. It will magnify your flaws and you will just become your inner critique. You will just keep criticizing yourself. So, an empowering tip for you is that whenever you notice self doubt creeping in, just take a pause, take a deep breath, and ask yourself, you know what, would I say this to my best friend? Would I, criticize my best friend the way I'm criticizing myself right now? And replace this, critical view of yours with a kinder, truer affirmation for yourself. Number 4, comparison blocks gratitude and abundance. Remember that. You cannot have, your comparison streak along with gratitude. So, if you want to feel true joy, you have to stop comparison, because doing your comparisons with others is like putting yourself in a jealousy mode, and you know that joy and jealousy cannot go hand in hand, right? So comparison will rob you of your ability to appreciate what you truly have, only because you are focusing on what you don't have. So every morning, do a gratitude exercise, list 3 things you're truly grateful for in your own life, and start doing your affirmations, start doing your thank yous. Number 5, comparison disconnects you from your unique purpose, because you're just wasting time looking at the other person and what they are doing. You were not meant to live somebody else's story, you're meant to live your own story, correct? So your timing, your path, your dreams, they are unique to you, they are sacred. Comparing them to somebody else's life will just delay your own magic. So if you want to feel free, if you want to live a life of freedom, fulfillment, choice, keep telling yourself, somebody else's success is not my failure. Somebody else's light does not dim my light. Root back into your individuality and value you being just you. So, my beautiful souls, here's your reminder for today. You are not behind. You are not lagging. You are not lacking. You are not less. Okay? So, stop comparison. Stop comparing yourself to anybody, because you were never meant to be the other person. Your journey was never meant to be the other person's journey. Your joy is found in presence, in purpose, in progress, not in comparison. So if today's episode resonated with you, like, comment, share, subscribe. Until next time, stay fearless, stay fulfilled. This is me, Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach, reminding you to celebrate your growth, celebrate yourself, celebrate your win, celebrate your story, celebrate your journey every day of your life. More power to all of you out there. I'll see you in the next podcast. Bye-bye.